Today we are going to answer some selected questions from a GAT book. Let's start with the first question. We have 5 raised to the power of 5 minus 5 raised to the power of 3 over 5 raised to the power of 3. In this question, we will take 5 raised to the power of 3 as a common factor. So it will be 5. 1 second. 5 raised to the power of 3 as a common factor. So it will be 5 squared minus 1 over 5 raised to the power of 3. Cancel. So we have 25 minus 1, which equals 24. So the answer is A. Let's move to the next question. Question 2. Find the sum of the roots of x squared minus 1 equals 0. In this question, to find the roots of this equation or the values of x of this equation, we will add 1 for both sides. So we have x squared equals 1. Then take the square root for both sides. So we have x equals 1 or negative 1. 1 and negative 1, they are the two roots of the equations. Two roots of the equation, and we want to find the sum. So it will be 1 plus negative 1, which equals 0. So the answer is C. Next question, question 3. In this question, we have 50 over 1000. Plus 55 over 100 plus 505 over 10. How can we add all of these fractions? We can remove 1 0 and 1 0 from the first fraction, and we have 55 over 100, and the third one we can add 1 0. So find the sum of 5 plus 55, which equals 60. 60 plus 5050, which equals 5,000. 110 over 100. You can cancel 1 0 then 0, so it will be 511 over 10, which equals 51.1, which is B. So the next, let's move to the next question. Find the value of x. This is question 4. We have 1 over 7x plus 1 equals 1 over x plus 13. If we have the numerator equal the numerator, so the denominator equals the denominator. So we can write 7x plus 1. This is equals x plus 13. It means 6x equals 12. Then divided both sides by 6. So x equals 2. So the answer is D. Next question, question 5. The age of Ahmed is 4 times the age of Ahmed. So we have Ahmed equals 4 Ahmed. And the age of Ahmed, E, equals 3 times the age of Khalid, so it will be 3k. And the sum of their ages is 32, so the sum of A plus E plus K equals 32. We want to find the value of the age of Ahmed. Okay, we have A equals 4E, so it will be 4E plus E plus K equals 32. So 4E plus A equals 32. It means what? It means 5. What's wrong? So 5E plus K equals 32. And we have K equals and E equals 3K. So 5 times E, it will be 5 times 3, which equals 15K plus K equals 32. Means 16k equals 32, so k equals 2. Now we have the age of Khalid is 2. How can we find the age of Ahmed? Just multiply 3 times 2, which equals 6, so the answer is D. Question 6. Find the first negative number. In this question, we want to find the first negative number. The difference between 20 and 18 is 2, so we subtracted 2. Then subtract 3. Means we will subtract 4, then subtract 5, so it will be 6, then subtract 6, it will be 0, then subtract 7, so it will be negative 7. The answer is A. Next one, if you have 885 divided by 29, you can make 29 like 30 and make a long division to be easier. The answer will be 30.5. The answer is A. Next question, question 8. How many degrees did the minute hand move if the time passes from 6 p.m. till 7:30 p.m.? From 6 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. it means we have one rotation and half rotation. One rotation from 6 to 7 and half circle from 0 to 30. So it will be 360 for all the rotation. It will be 360 plus half a circle, which is 180. Their sum equals 540 degrees. The answer is D. Next one. Evaluate 10 over 15 times 30 minus 10 over 6 times 30. You can simplify. Divided 15 equals 1, divided 15 equals 2, so it will be 10 times 2, which equals 20, minus divided 6 equals 1, divided 6 equals 5, so it will be 50. Find the difference between them, it will be negative 30. This is an easy question. Question 10. Find k such that the number 23,000 is divisible by 2, 3, and 5. Okay, to be divisible by 5, the units digit must be equal 0 or 5. So this is satisfied. And also this is even to be divisible by 2. So this is satisfied. To be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits of all the number should be divisible also by 3. So 2 plus 3 plus 1 plus 0 equals 6, which is divisible by 3. So we can put k in the place of k equals 0. Because we have 2 plus 3 plus 0 plus 1 plus 0. Their sum equals 6, and 6 also is divisible by